In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can extract an audio from videos in your gallery on CapCut. You can simply create an audio out of videos on CapCut in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your CapCut. Create a project. You can tap on your recent projects or just create a new project. On this page, simply tap on audio just right here. Select this option of extracted. You will have to choose any video you want to extract an audio from. Select any and tap on import sound. Your extracted audio will get imported to your project successfully. You can extract as many audio files as you want at the same time. You can also tap on the audio if you wish to edit. That's how easy it is to extract audios on CapCut. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.